let's talk about why we are so mentally stretched as mums. Fun fact, it's not just because we are so busy all the time. The real culprit is the fact that we are always, always, always thinking and overthinking inside our brain. We're anticipating things, we're replaying conversations, we're planning 3 steps ahead, we're always worrying about something or mentally rehearsing things way ahead of the time. And so, as a result, your brain actually very rarely switches off. And when you are keeping your mind active 24/7, when you have these decisions that you haven't yet made, when you're like, I don't know, always in high alert, that is, of course, exhausting. Just imagine if anyone worked 24/7. You would say, like, of course you're going to be tired. So, I want to offer you something practical just to make you feel less mentally stretched. I want you to start closing some of the loops inside your brain deliberately. So, make decisions sooner, write things down onto paper, get it out of your brain. Okay, create a parking lot list so that your brain doesn't have to store everything. You can come back to it at the time that best suits you. But you're going to find that the mental drain that you are experiencing is going to reduce when you are clearer and when you allow yourself to put things down. Because, of course, your brain is powerful. We all know that. But it was never, ever, ever designed to carry the entire household, your entire future in its working memory. And if you're ready to stop feeling so overwhelmed all the time and start actually focusing on the things that are truly most important to you, that is exactly the sort of work that we do inside Inspiring Life Academy. You can find the info for that inside my bio.